Hello everyone, my name is Adnan Majid. I am Master of Computer Science qualified from the Federal Government University, Lahore, Virtual University, Pakistan. It is a very good university in recognition degree in the Pakistan. So today I introduced you a Python for data science. So what you get, but Python is basically used in our everywhere in our daily life, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural network, convolutional neural network, transfer learning, and in this tutorial we can learn the Keras library of Python, Matplotlib library, and NLP, natural language processing. What you learn? Students, you learn data visualization, how you plot the data, how you basically describe your data in visualized form, such as you can predict the value from the 80s and 90s era. You can predict the 5-year value visualization. You can want to visualize the 2-month visualization in different plots. And you can also learn data cleaning. We have a million of data, but we want to clean that data and we want to extract our requirement. Data wrangling, data analysis, you can analyze your data. Reporting, you can make a report of your data. You find the missing values, if there is any missing values, and you can get the exact result. And you can also learn estimation, prediction, and you also run image processing, in which image processing basically there is a lot of fraud detection. The human being is basically in these world make a fraud, so you can detect the human using image processing, in which you can detect the object detection, human object recognition, tracing, finding a missing object, searching, sorting, managing, and organizing. Another part, what you get a job. So you learn the data science using Python. You qualified the Python developer. High salary paid job in the UK market, high salary paid job in USA, Canada, Australia, and Asian regions. So bye bye. I hope you get the points. Take care.